Hi, I'm Iana. Welcome back to Vista Automations. Last time, you built an assistant that posts to your Instagram from WhatsApp without touching a line of code. But then something happened. People started answering back. Comments, messages, and the big one, how much is this? So today we build part 2, an assistant that answers your comments, and when someone asks the price, slides it into their DMs, while you stay in WhatsApp and just say, okay. And here's the fun part. A system built from this exact recipe is answering the comments under this very video. I'm in there. Go test it on me when we're done. Here's the trap every small business falls into. Either you answer everything yourself, and now you live inside your inbox because a question answered a day late is a customer gone. Or you install one of those auto-reply apps that greet everyone with the same plastic sentence, and people can smell it instantly. Both lose you sales. The myth is that those are your only 2 options. They're not. The answer is the same split we used in episode 1. The machine does the running around. The words and the decisions stay yours. 4 parts, and you already own half of them. But listener, Meta pings your little server, the one from episode 1, the moment a comment or a message lands. The brain. It drafts a reply, not from thin air, but from a small file of answers you wrote yourself in your own words. The gate. The draft appears in your WhatsApp, and nothing goes out until you say okay, or type something better. And the replier. The answer appears on Instagram, under the comment or in the DM, seconds later. Same server, same free setup. 2 new tricks. Before we build, look at how a day actually feels. Someone comments, how much, under your post. 2 things happen. On the post, for everyone to see, your assistant answers, sent you a DM. And in your WhatsApp, the comment, the piece they're asking about, and a drafted message with the price from your own answers file. You glance, say, okay, and the price lands in their DMs. Type a different number, and yours goes instead. Or ignore it, and nothing is sent. Everything else still runs in 3 lanes. Nice comments get your thank you line. Questions get drafted from your answers. And anything strange waits for you. But the price flow, that's where buyers become conversations. Same tool as last time. Claude Code. Claude on your own computer. The one that doesn't just advise, it writes and runs the files itself. You paste one prompt, and it walks you through the clicking on Meta's side, one step at a time, checking what you see on screen before moving on. You don't need to remember episode 1's details. The prompt tells it what already exists, and it picks up from there. If anything looks different on your screen, you say so, and it adjusts. That's the whole skill. Describe, paste, confirm. Prompt 1. On screen now. Pause and copy it. It's also in the description. You're opening the same free app you made in episode 1 and teaching it 2 new tricks. First, permissions. Your app needs the right to read and answer comments, and to read and answer messages. Second, the webhook. You already have one. You're ticking 2 more boxes, comments and messages, so Meta starts pinging your server about them. Third, one switch inside the Instagram app itself. Allow message access for connected tools. Without it, DMs stay invisible no matter what the dashboard says. And the honest line, same as last time. In development mode, this works on your own account, free, no business verification. That only matters the day you run this for other people's accounts. Your server from episode 1, the little VPS or the tunnel on your laptop, needs nothing new. Meta's side is ready. Now, the assistant. Prompt 2. On screen, pause and copy. Read what it demands, because these rules are the product. Replies are drafted only from your answers file. If the answer isn't in there, the assistant hands the message to you instead. Every draft goes to your WhatsApp first. OK sends it. Anything else you type replaces it. Price questions get the special move, a public check your DMs, and a private message with your price. And Meta allows exactly one of those per comment, which keeps everyone honest. And messages have a clock. Instagram gives you a day to answer a DM through the machine. After that, you answer that one yourself, from the app. Claude Code writes the files, wires them into Episode 1's bot, and runs it. Same terminal, same it's alive moment. 3 things break for everyone. Here's the fix before the panic. 1. The webhook stays silent. Almost always, the 2 new boxes aren't ticked, or the app is still switched off in the dashboard. 2. A message reply fails even though comments work. That's the clock. The day ran out. Answer that one from the app, and the machine handles the next. 3. The assistant answers the same comment twice. Meta resends events when it's unsure you got them, so the bot must remember what it already answered. The prompt tells Claude Code to build that memory in. If yours double fires, paste the log, and it'll fix it. Enough building. Watch it run. A comment lands on the post from Episode 1. How much is this? On Instagram, the public reply, sent you a DM. My phone, WhatsApp, 1 message, the comment, and the drafted price. I say, okay. And there it is, the price, sitting in their DMs, in your own words. The buyer answers, and now it's just a conversation. You didn't open Instagram once. That's the whole promise. Your customers get real answers, prices land in private, and you never left the app you already live in. So, a listener, a brain that only speaks your words, a gate that keeps you in charge, and a whisper that turns price questions into private conversations, all bolted onto the machine you already built. And remember what I told you at the start? The comments under this video run on this exact recipe. Ask something down there, and you'll feel what your customers will feel. A real answer. Fast. That's me. And that feeling is the business we're in. The day you want this working for real customers, verified, unlimited, built and watched for you. That's exactly what we do at Vista. The link is below. Next episode, those DMs are about to fill up with buyers, and buyers get forgotten. We'll teach your assistant to remember every single one, who asked, what they wanted, how to reach them. Your own little client list, built while you sleep. Subscribe, and I'll see you there, and in the comments.